Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai kitchen. Today we're going to make Kai Tom Nam Pra or boiled chicken with the fish sauce, dipped with special sauce. Okay, the ingredient is not many, only a few, right? But first is chicken. We use chicken thigh and drumstick, whole black pepper, garlic, lemongrass, coriander root. But this one I get from Thailand. That's why I keep in the freezer, and a few stem of normal coriander. Dark sweet soy sauce, light soy sauce, and last is fish sauce. You can use any brand, the nice brand. That's it. Okay, ready? Okay, we ready to cook. Okay, first we put lemongrass. Yeah, you smash a bit, right? And then coriander root. Put down there, and garlic. Just a handful. Whole black pepper. You can smash a bit. A little bit of normal coriander root. And after that, we put chicken on top. But chicken thigh, leave the skin on. And drumstick, you just cut a bit. And easy to cook if you just cut a little bit.
How long this will boil for?
The boil about half an hour or 45 minutes. After half an hour, we can check it. And then we put water. Water should be above the chicken. Okay, now we on the gas quite high. Now we put the sauce to taste it. Okay, we put the 6 tablespoons of fish sauce. Two tablespoons of light soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of sweet dark soy sauce. You can put the dark soy sauce if you like the chicken more dark color. You want more dark color? Yeah. Okay. Just quarter of black dark color soy sauce. Not soy sauce. Yeah, the sauce. Yeah, you can see the color. Actually, I'm not really like the dark. But you can add fish sauce later, but after boil you taste first what the taste like. You know, some people they cannot handle salty. Yeah, wait until this one boil. After boil, then you can lower the gas, just the medium heat. But first you high the gas after the chicken, after the soup boil. You can lower the gas, just the medium heat. Okay, the water start to boil. You can see the froth coming up. Then we can take out And now we lower the gas. Use the heat, only medium heat. Okay. Now I can taste what the taste like. Perfect. We don't need to add anything. Okay. Okay, now we leave the chicken like this, yeah, half an hour. While we waiting for the chicken cook, we go to make the sauce. The ingredient just basic: coriander root, chili, small one, garlic, fish sauce, and lamb. Yeah, palm sugar. Okay, first we put garlic. About 10 cloves of garlic. With the chili, I put all, yeah, chili. This one have to be hot. We wash coriander root and slice into small pieces. Yeah, coriander root slice in small pieces and put it. Just a small amount palm sugar. No, I don't want to be sweet. We can add later if we need it. Fish sauce. We put 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Lamb. Okay, we put the lamb juice. One more fish sauce. Put one more tablespoon. Okay, now our dip sauce done. Yeah, we put in the bowl. We back to our chicken. Okay, now we turn the chicken to the other side. Now 20 minutes. Yeah, wait until another 10 minutes, then we try the chicken cook or not yet. Okay, 40 minutes gone. Yeah, now we check the chicken. I think should be cooked. Yeah, we cut inside. Let's see. Okay. Yep. Yep. Okay, done. Okay, now we take out from the soup. Yeah, ready to serve. And put the sauce on top a bit. You can have this sauce as the soup. I'm going to have it. Put a little bit of sweet chili sauce on top. Look nice. Yeah, and some coriander.
Alright guys, so we're gonna try gai tom nam pla. Looks really good. Let's do a drumstick. Got my rice here, some sauce. To me this is a little bit reminiscent of like khao man gai, you know, like chicken rice. Yeah, the chicken is really good, tender, flavoursome. So that is super easy for you to do at home. So if you think your family will love this, give it a go. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again next week. Take care now. Bye.